Hey, this is another configure. I don't actually need to type the second one because I already have it on here. Whoops. So anyways, we're going to be doing our hands-on lab activity 3.1, enabling the OSPF process. Now for this lab, we're using the same configuration that we had set up in previous labs, so my IP addressing, everything's already set up. We're just going to get straight into enabling the OSPF process. So now we're going, so first thing, we're going to R1. We'll do conf t, and we'll do our router OSPF 100. That's normally we just do 1, but the configuration says to do 100. Okay, alright, well, going to get out of that. Now for our R2, conf t, router OSPF 101, Control Z. R3, we want to activate 102. Conf t, router OSPF 102. And Control Z. Let's go ahead and exit out of that. And that's going to be, I guess, everything for enabling the OSPF process on our 9.1. Moving into 9.2, configuring the OSPF interfaces. We're going to go back to our R1. We're going to do our conf t, router OSPF 100, network 172.16.10.1 area 0, and network 172.16.20.1 area 0. Now on our R2, conf t 101, network 172.16.20.0.0.0.0 area 0, and 30.1. Oh. Okay. And then onto our C, or 3, as I have them named. Router OSPF 102. Network 172.16.30.2.0.0.0.0 area 0. And then, oh, come on. .1 area 0. Beautiful. Alright, that's going to be everything for configuring the OSPF interfaces. And keep, really quick, OSPF means open shortest path first. So this isn't a static or RIP routing, just open shortest path first. Just meant for quick, but yeah. That's everything for R2. Now into R3, verifying OSPF operation. We're going to start off in our, shoot. Oh, there we go. Just kidding. Not as bad as I was afraid it was going to be. I don't need you. Verifying our OSPF operation. Show IP OSPF neighbor. Shows our one neighbor stateful. We can also do a show IP route. We can do a show IP protocols OSPF 100, show IP OSPF, and last command, show, I keep hitting the wrong button, show IP OSPF int G0/0. Yep. I like that first one, the neighbor, though. I'm gonna go ahead and do that on all of these. IP OSPF show IP. That's what I forgot. Show IP OSPF nay. We'll do that on all three. Show IP OSPF nay. Yep, awesome. So yep, that's how you set up your OSPF operation. I'm going to go ahead and that was the chapter 9. I'm going to move on to the chapter 10 activities, which are configuring layer 2 switches. So go ahead and pause for a second. Alright, I'm back. As you can see, there's been a pretty big change to my packet tracer. Set up a different network. Didn't think you'd want to be there for the entire thing, but this is for 10, 1, 2, and 3. So we're going to get started into configuring our switches. So let's start off with, oh shoot, I forgot to label. Let me label these display names as I talk about not having to want to watch this. I make you do it anyways. And S3. Okay. Now back into our S1. We'll start this configuration. So en, actually let's clean that up. Okay, en conft, and we'll start off with our host name. That's a pretty good way to start. Host name Todd, and we'll enable secret Cisco. That's just the one that I always go to if I'm going for a default password. Cisco. It's one that's easy to understand because it's more of a more recognized default password. Alright, but anyways, let's go start into our ENT F0/16. Let me get a quick screenshot for you so you can see exactly how this is set up, because on Packet Tracer it's a little bit harder to see it. Let me take a quick little snip. And ouch, that hurts. Sounds really loud. Take a quick snip. We'll bring it over to here and put it in a way where it can be seen but not heard. Okay. Okay, well, you can see there are ports. That's one we're doing 16. We'll bring it over to here so you can see both. So interface F0 15, not 16, my bad. We're gonna start off with our 15. Start from the top, work our way down. Description. First connection to S3. Then int F0/16. And this will be second connection to S3. I forgot to put the description command in. That's not right. Okay, and now int F0/17. Description. First connection to S2. int F0/18. Second connection to S2. Forgot to put the description in again. Awesome. Now we're going to our int F0/8. and we're going to put in our description. This is a shortcut way to do it. Connection to IVR. And we'll go to set up a line con 0. Password Cisco login. So that'll mean if we wanted to set up setting up a console line, we can now do that. That's what that command does. We'll go ahead and set up our line. For router, it's a little bit different. I know router, it's 0 through 4, but for this switch, 0, 15. Password Cisco login. Now we can do a console line and we can tell that into it. So now let's set up a VLAN, int VLAN 1, IP address 192.168.10.17. So 1.7, 255.255.255.240. And no shut that VLAN, so now it's open. Exit. Now we'll do banner MOTD. This is my S1 switch. Another. Awesome. Exit, copy, run, start. So that's as I did there. Put it all in one by one. That was everything for the S1. I'm going to go ahead and pause the video and do S2 and S3 so you don't have to sit through all that, and I will be right back. Alright, so now that my switches are all configured and set up, we are going to alright, sorry about that. Alright, we're going to go into our lab 10.2 verifying layer 2 switches. So we're going to enter into our S1. Shoot. Ian. Cisco. Alright, now we're going to do show int VLAN 1. Internet addresses. Show MAC address table. See our ports there. Show run. To be honest, this is my favorite command for checking these just because it works super well. 15, 16, 17, 18, and you saw our 8 earlier. Our VLAN 1, this is my S1 switch. It's there. We'll do a, here's our S2. Show MAC. We'll do a show MAC address table. See if I can spell. Huh. Let's see. So this is a good example. Show run. So we have our 05, 02, first connection to S3. This should be our, oh, that's what I wanted. 05, so that's 5, that's 6. Wrong button. That's not all it's supposed to show, is it? definitely not showing the VLAN though. Let me try this. Show. That seems funky. Let me open up my S1 again real quick. That's strange. It has all of those under here. Alright. Alright, I'm back. I was just looking at some things. We're going to go ahead and move on to our lab 10.3 after we verified our configurations right and those other ones. But 10.3, configuring port security. So we're going to go into our S3. Let me go to... Okay. Cisco 1 and conft yen Cisco 1. Okay. So now conft intf 0/3 switch port mode access switch port mode security. Switch port, sorry, not switch port mode, switch port security. There we go. Let's end show port security. Yeah, if anything tries to do it, it'll automatically shut it down. Awesome, that's what we want. So now let's set it up for, let's change the settings to have a maximum of 2 MAC addresses they can associate with this. So let's do conft 0/3 switch port security maximum 2. Now let's change the violation mode to restrict. So let's do switch port security violation restrict. Now let's go ahead and do an end and do show port security interface VA 0/3. You can see maximum MAC address is 2. It's changed from shutdown to restrict. But yeah, so that's just our port security, setting that up. Let's do a show run to look at our 3. And you can see here switch port mode access, port security, maximum 2, and violation restrict. But that's everything for our Chapter 10 labs. If you have any, Chapter 9 and Chapter 10 actually. If you have any questions, just leave a comment. Thanks.